Hello. I just got home from work. I've been meaning to answer this question for a while now. Keep putting it off, not because I don't need to, but because I wanted to make sure I devoted enough time to it. But it's been long enough, I felt like I should just answer it. Honest, curious question. Every third commercial is pharma. Before the ad is over, they tell you multiple side effects. The vaccine ad just says, take it. And this commenter goes on to say, why haven't we seen long-term effects from this? There doesn't seem to be any data. And then they talk about a family member of theirs who had a side effect from it related to their heart. I am sorry to hear about that, and we'll get to that in a minute. The reason most pharmaceutical ads talk about side effects is because you have to keep taking those meds either daily or weekly, or you have to take them over a sustained period of time to make sure they have their effects, because it's a maintenance medication. It's how you control the illness that or condition that it helps. The vaccine is a one-time thing. All the remnants of the vaccine are gone from your body usually within 48 hours, maybe 72 hours at the most. We've run tests to see that. All the experiments showed that anything that was from the vaccine was gone within 72 hours, and all that was left was the effect on the immune system. That's why we can still call it natural immunity from a vaccine, because it's still your immune system. We're not giving you any immunity. We're just teaching your body how to defend itself against COVID-19. Any side effects that come from the vaccine are usually you see them within 48 hours, but at most you can see them within 2 months. That's why the FDA monitoring before they can give emergency use authorization and then eventual approval was 2 months, because that's how long it takes. And we know that from countless vaccines we've seen over the years, including mRNA vaccines, which have been around for 10 years. They just haven't been mass produced because the diseases they were used for, either the pandemics died down, which this one didn't, or there wasn't enough funding because of various reasons. But anyway, within 2 months, that's the most you can see. And really, it's a lot less than that. That's why we don't worry as much about long-term side effects, because the vaccine doesn't stay in you to cause long-term side effects. And that's why. As for the relative that had, you mentioned something with their heart, I am sorry to hear that. I can't speak too much because I haven't looked at their medical records, but I can tell you that COVID-19 is much more likely to cause heart effects, blood clots. Any of the things that you're worried about with the vaccine are much more likely from COVID-19. That's why we recommend people get vaccinated. Thanks.